Are you tired of endlessly searching for the perfect hand blender? Many buyers find it challenging to navigate the technical specifications, such as power wattage and speed settings, to understand which features are truly beneficial for their needs. We've tested and reviewed countless hand blenders to bring you the top 5 best hand blenders. In this video, we'll dive into their key features, helping you choose the best one for your kitchen needs. Stick around as we reveal the very best blenders on the market, ensuring you make the right choice. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach Hand Blender is a versatile and modern kitchen tool designed to simplify a variety of food preparation tasks. Featuring a sleek metallic color, this blender is constructed from durable alloy steel and comes with a powerful 225-watt motor. It is equipped to handle a wide range of tasks, including blending, mixing, pureeing, and whipping, thanks to its multifunctional design. The blender includes both a steel blending wand and a whisk attachment, offering flexibility for different culinary needs. This hand blender is designed with convenience in mind. Both the blending wand and whisk attachment are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after each use. The attachments are easy to switch out, allowing you to transition seamlessly from blending soups and smoothies to whipping cream or mixing batter. The stainless steel blade ensures efficient and smooth blending, while the BPA-free materials provide peace of mind for health-conscious users. The Hamilton Beach Hand Blender operates on corded electric power and features 2 speed settings, allowing you to adjust the blending intensity based on the requirements of your recipe. With a voltage of 120 volts, it is compatible with standard household electrical outlets. The product dimensions are compact, measuring 3.13 by 8.63 by 8.88 inches, and it weighs just 2.29 pounds, making it easy to handle and store when not in use. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Hand Blender combines versatility, durability, and convenience, making it an essential kitchen tool for a variety of culinary tasks. Its sleek design and ease of use enhance any cooking experience. Number 4. KitchenAid. The KitchenAid Hand Blender, available in a blue fog color, is designed with modern aesthetics and practical functionality. This versatile kitchen tool features multiple speed settings, allowing users to choose the appropriate speed for different blending tasks. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the blender is robust and built to last, weighing just 2 pounds. Its compact dimensions of 2.5 inches in depth by 2.5 inches in width by 16 inches in height make it easy to store and handle. A notable feature of this hand blender is the removable 8-inch blending arm with a fixed stainless steel S-shaped blade. It locks into the motor body for easy use and cleaning. This design efficiently blends various ingredients, making it ideal for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, and baby food. The KitchenAid hand blender also includes a soft grip handle, which provides a non-slip and comfortable grip, making continuous blending tasks more manageable. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with a lid is another convenient feature, suitable for individual blending jobs, serving, or storing blended items for later use. This jar is top-rack dishwasher safe, adding to the ease of maintenance. With its 2 speed settings and 120-volt power requirement, the KitchenAid hand blender combines performance and convenience. The product's compact size and lightweight design, along with its efficient blending capabilities, make it an excellent choice for both everyday use and more specialized blending tasks. Overall, this KitchenAid hand blender offers a blend of style, functionality, and ease of use, making it a practical tool for a variety of culinary needs. Number 3. Cuisinart CSB 179. The Cuisinart CSB 179 hand blender stands out for its versatile functionality and durable design. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it transitions seamlessly between low and high speeds, catering to various blending needs with efficiency. This capability is complemented by a variable speed slide control and a push button for continuous blending, ensuring precise control over the blending process. Crafted for comfort and ease of use, the blender features a comfort grip handle that facilitates prolonged usage without discomfort. Its 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft enables effortless pureeing, emulsifying, and whipping of ingredients directly in pots, pitchers, or bowls. In terms of accessories, the Cuisinart hand blender comes equipped with a 3-cup chopper and grinder, a chef's whisk, and a 2-cup mixing measuring cup. These additions expand its functionality beyond basic blending tasks, allowing users to chop herbs, grind nuts, whisk eggs, and measure ingredients conveniently. The appliance is designed with practicality in mind, being dishwasher safe for easy cleanup after use. Its stainless steel construction not only enhances durability, but also ensures food safety by being BPA-free. Ideal for both professional and home kitchens, this hand blender combines superior function with essential features that simplify food preparation. Whether blending soups, sauces, or smoothies, its robust performance and ergonomic design make it a valuable tool for achieving consistent results with minimal effort. Overall, the Cuisinart hand blender is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a versatile and efficient blending solution that meets everyday culinary demands effectively. Number 2. Breville Control Grip. The Breville stainless steel immersion blender is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed to meet various blending needs. It comes in a sleek stainless steel color, adding a modern touch to your kitchen. With a capacity of 2.6 pounds and dimensions of 6.2 inches in depth by 7.5 inches in width by 12.4 inches in height, it is compact yet powerful. The blender's ergonomic pistol-like control grip with trigger operation ensures comfortable use, while the 8-inch immersion depth is perfect for blending large quantities or using tall pots. This immersion blender is powered by a 280-watt motor and offers adjustable speed settings, providing greater control and efficiency in blending. The bell-shaped base, combined with revolutionary internal ribbing, reduces suction for enhanced performance. Additionally, the non-scratch base helps prevent scratching your pots during use, preserving their condition. Included with the Breville blender are several useful components: a 3-cup chopper bowl with stainless steel chopping blades, a 1.2-liter extra-large jug with a dual-purpose storage lid, an anti-slip mat, a whisk attachment, and a comprehensive manual. This immersion blender is not only powerful, but also safe to use, as it is BPA-free. It operates on 120 volts and has 15 different speed settings, controlled physically, allowing for precise and versatile blending. The blade material is stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The blender is lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the Breville stainless steel immersion blender is a high-quality, reliable kitchen tool. Its modern design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their blending experience. Number 1. Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix 3-piece Immersion Blender Bundle is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed to streamline blending tasks with efficiency and precision. Equipped with a robust 625-watt motor, this blender effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results across a variety of recipes. Whether you're whipping up soups, sauces, or smoothies, the Vitamix Immersion Blender delivers reliable performance. Included in the bundle are essential accessories such as a whisk attachment and a convenient storage case. The whisk attachment expands the blender's functionality, making it suitable for tasks that require aerating and whipping. The storage case not only keeps the components organized, but also protects them when not in use, ensuring longevity. Designed for ease of use, the Immersion Blender features a user-friendly interface that supports one-handed operation, accommodating both right and left-handed users. It offers 5 speed settings along with a 4-pronged stainless steel blade, allowing for precise control over textures, from silky smooth blends to chunkier consistencies. The blender is crafted from durable stainless steel, highlighting its sturdy build quality. While it is easy to clean, it should be noted that the blender components are not dishwasher safe, requiring hand washing for maintenance. Overall, the Vitamix 3-piece Immersion Blender Bundle stands out for its combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations, this blender provides the tools needed to achieve optimal blending results with ease and efficiency. In the realm of hand blenders, 5 standout products offer a spectrum of features for culinary enthusiasts. Hamilton Beach impresses with its robust 225-watt motor and versatile stainless steel design, ideal for various blending tasks. KitchenAid charms with a sleek build, multiple speed settings, and a comfortable grip handle, perfect for everyday blending needs. Cuisinart shines with a powerful 300-watt motor, ergonomic design, and a suite of accessories for professional and home kitchens alike. Breville's stainless steel immersion blender excels with a 280-watt motor, adjustable speed settings, and a comprehensive set of attachments, ensuring precise blending and durability. Lastly, Vitamix captivates with a robust 625-watt motor, 5 speed settings, and a whisk attachment, emphasizing power and versatility in blending tasks.